Kaivac has turned its attention to tackle a wide variety of hard surface cleaning challenges. Spill response, for example, is one of the most costly and disruptive cleanup challenges many industries face. In America alone, more than 2 million people suffer from a slip, trip, or fall every year. In many cases, the building owner or operator is found to be at fault. Mop and bucket? Ineffective and time-consuming. Auto scrubbers? Expensive, disruptive, and impractical during business hours. Kaivac has hit the spill response sweet spot with the OmniFlex SUV, an all-in-one multi-purpose platform that works 3 to 4 times faster than a mop, removing the spilled soils completely from the floor, leaving the area dry and harm-free. Beyond restrooms and spills, Kaivac has solutions for entrances, food service areas, weather-related cleaning, and more. By maintaining safe and attractive entrances and improving the general all-around appearance and indoor environment, Kaivac systems protect you and your image,